Here is how to add thumbnail to your Roblox experience. So first go to roblox.com and log into your specific account. Then tap on create in the top of the screen, which is between marketplace and the search icon. Now you need to select your experience. So go ahead and select the experience that where you want to add a thumbnail. From the left-hand side of the screen, select places, which is between settings and custom matching. And again, in the left-hand side, select thumbnails, which is between icon and videos. Here, you'll get the option to upload your thumbnails. Go ahead and select it. And now select any picture that you want to upload as a thumbnail. Wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to upload. Then select the thumbnail that you just uploaded and tap on Save Changes in the top. Your thumbnail should now be active. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.